Jeez! I just was gonna sleep through alarm. I do say hard.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have some awesome footage here today of a very, very rare species. This species is called the Sorus rex. As you can see, he's in deep hibernation. These species hibernate in the summer instead of the winter. And they sit in air conditioning all day with big brown bibs on to catch the slobber from them snoring. These beasts are very savage. If you get too close as I am and not being professional, you might get eaten alive. But as you can see, the beast won't wake up. I can put a light in his face. I can blow an air horn. This doesn't matter. In a coma type. These beasts can get up to, I'd say, about 260 pounds. This one may be 280 though. Stand very clear when snoring. The suction from their nostrils may draw you into them if you don't be careful.